So today we're going to go step by step on setting up a ManyChat account. We're going to be doing this in real time. Now we are doing this on desktop, and I will have a link for you in the show notes down below if you want to go ahead and jump right to this same landing page to get started. Now here on the main screen, there are two sections. You can either click Get Started right over here or on the top right over here. Either option will take you to the same screen. So we're going to go ahead and click Get Started. So the first thing it's going to have us do here is going to log into one of our social media accounts. Now for this, we can go ahead and just choose one and then add in the additional ones afterwards as well. So we're just doing whichever one we want to get started with first. So for our example here today, we're going to go ahead and click on Instagram. And then from right over here, it's going to go ahead and have us sign in. So we could either sign in with our Google or we can go ahead and sign in with our Facebook account. For our example here today, we're going to click on Continue with Google. Now this should have a little pop-up menu come up here for you. So you can go ahead and sign in. If you're not already signed in here with your web browser, you can click on Use Another Account. But if you do have your option, you're going to go ahead and click on that. Now from here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and do a sign-in process. So we're going to go ahead and click on Continue. And then from right over here, it's just a few additional steps. This is the part where we actually log into our Instagram, or if you wanted to, you can log in with your Meta Business Suite instead. So from here, we're going to click on Go to Instagram. And similar to last time, we're going to go ahead and have a pop-up menu show up here for us. This is where we actually sign into our Instagram page. So we have our phone number, username, or email, our password, and then we can go ahead and log in, or you can also log in with your Facebook account. From here, it's going to ask if we want to have our login information saved. You could hit save info or not now, whichever option works best for you. And then from here, it's going to have a toggle section to be able to give access. And of course, in order to be able to do messages, there are going to be some things like this right over here to view profile and access media that are going to be required, and everything else we can toggle on and off. And of course, we can always come back and change this at a later date in the settings menu afterwards. For our example here today, we're going to go ahead and leave these all toggled on and click allow. And then that's going to bring you to this next page here, which is, if you scroll down, is going to show you your option to go ahead and activate a free pro trial. You get that for 14 days. Afterwards, you can see it's $15 a month. You can also start with a free plan as well. But if you definitely want to get the most out of this option, you want to definitely activate with that free plan, keeping in mind that they will send you a reminder to go ahead and cancel in case you do not end up wanting to use it. So in order to get that free 14-day trial, we want to click on Activate Pro Trial right over here. And then from here, it's going to ask for your information like your email, your card information, keeping in mind it won't charge you until after that 14 days. And then we're going to click on Save Card. So I'm going to fill this all out and we'll go to the next step. All right, so from right over here, the next step after you're putting in your card information, you can see it says trial has been activated. And from here, it's going to ask you a couple of questions like how will you be using ManyChat? This helps them out as well, whether it's for yourself, for an employer, or for your client. For us, we're going to click on for ourselves and close that off there. And we're going to click on the next button. And then it's going to ask who or what is this account about? It's for a business, a personal, or other. We're going to do a business and click on next. And then it's going to ask what category best describes your business. You can see there's brand, educator, media, and all of these different options. There is also other at the very bottom. So choose the one that works best for you. And then we're going to click on next. Question here, it's going to ask, how do you plan to use ManyChat? And you can see all the different options right over here. Just go ahead and click on all the different options that work best for you and then click on next. And here it's going to ask, what tools do you use? Again, you can go ahead and choose all the different options that are going to work best for you that you are currently using, just to have them get a better idea of how you manage your systems. And then we're going to click on next. And from here, it says that our account has been officially connected. So let's go ahead and click on Let's Start right over here. And just like that, we got to the homepage of our brand new ManyChat account. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to start you off at that starting landing page that we had at the beginning of this video. And that will get you that 14-day free trial when going through and setting up your account. Now, there's more to show you when it comes to running your small business, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.